What is up, everybody? Thank you for tuning into the channel again. As the title says, today I am going to be unboxing my Spoon Sports GT wing. So I've had this Voltex wing for a while. It's definitely not a Voltex. I don't know if you could tell by the bolts. That's one of the telltale signs, along with how it mounts under the wing. But yes, I got this off eBay. Oh my God, like 6 years ago. Paid $400. It has done exceptionally well for me. Gave me, well, I don't have any paperwork to prove it, but I felt a difference while driving the car out on the track, and it made me feel more comfortable, you know. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this spoon wing will do for me. It's supposedly a 1500 millimeter, which is just about 60 inches, as opposed to my Voltex, which is about 55 inches. So this will get me, another 5 inches. And what this is going to be the unboxing video, and showing you all the little parts that it comes with. I bought this from ICB Motorsports. Big thank you to them. This got to me in 3 days. I ordered it on a Monday morning. It was here by Wednesday morning. They're in Arizona. Yeah, they're in Arizona, and I'm here in New York, so it came really quick. I'm really happy about that. I didn't pay for any extra shipping, but those guys are really cool. So yeah, if you're looking for parts, go check them out. Also, I am not affiliated with them. I'm not sponsored by them. This is just, me giving a review on their service and the part that I bought from them. So let's get started, guys. All right, so got my razor blade. Got to cut this tape. I'm a dork, so I want to keep the spoon box. I love all things spoon. So if the cardboard has spoon written on it, I want to keep it. Get my keys out of the way. So I'm going to start opening this up, and let's see what we get. Here we have the brackets that mount from the car to the wing. These are going to go, driver, passenger side. These are really nice carbon. I'll get up closer to them once everything's out of the box. This little bag has all the mounting hardware. You'll probably notice a lot of the stuff says FD2 on it. So I do not own an FD2 because nobody makes a wing for a 97 or 96 to 2000 Civic sedan. This is what I found works closest to mount on my trunk. And it's worked so far. So hopefully this one mounts up similar to my old one, and I'll be okay. See again with the FD2 stuff. For those of you who are unfamiliar with it, the FD2 is the Japanese Civic Type R. I forgot what year it was. I think it was 06? 08 maybe? I'll have to get back to that and figure it out the right way instead of giving you guys wrong information. So here we go. These are the end plates. I absolutely love these end plates. I don't know if you can see, but it has this little curve, on the side of it. There's a little curve down and also to the back. I love these. Cannot wait to see what this thing looks like all together. Let's put these back in the bubble. So we can make some space to pull the other stuff out. So I've got my end plates, my trunk bases, and my hardware so far. Here. Now moving on to the risers. The risers would go from those mounting plates on the trunk to to the wing itself. Both of them right here. Hopefully this is high enough. If I feel it's too low, then I'll make something else, you know, go up a little higher. We'll see what works with the roof height of the car. I like to try to keep it there. But we'll see what we got. Remember, I'm gonna have to modify a little bit at least, because this is not for my specific vehicle, it's for another one. And if you're in the same boat, you know, more power to you, because it's something you made by yourself. But hopefully I don't have to, because these are really nice. Bubble wrap. Time to get rid of this cardboard, and the moment you've all been waiting for, the actual wing. Ooh, I got some stickers, ICB stickers. Support ICB. Good guys. Definitely go check them out. And then my receipt. So let's open this up. This is a twist. Wow, this is light. This is very light. A lot lighter than my Pultex. Woo! Look at this. This element is so nice. Very nice, lightweight, carbon fiber, as the guys over at Donut Media say. This is nice. It's a 3D wing, so it gives you the, whoops, there we go, scratching it already. Gives you this flatter foil up top, and then it dips down on the sides, both of them, and you also have the curve. Gives you that extra down force. So that's the unboxing. I'm gonna put this together. Maybe I'll mock it up. I'll stand it up on the trunk, see where it sits. But this is it. I'll get some closer pictures once I got it all together on the stand. I'm excited. Well, there she is in all her glory. Look at this beauty. This carbon fiber is so friggin' nice. Look at this with that little curve I was mentioning earlier. Get a good look at it now. See how it curves out. Woo! That's how it reflects. It's still new, so of course it's gonna reflect nice now. Man, I love this thing. Nice thick bracket, keep it from wobbling. This over here is too real nice. Love the carbon fiber stands. Just an extra little touch of niceness. Comes with all the hardware you need. Look at that. This is nice. Now to see if this will fit on here, which it should. Time to get rid of this wing that has done me well for so long. It will not be for sale. It's already spoken for. A buddy of mine is going to be picking it up soon. But man, I cannot wait to put this on the car. Well, guys, got the old wing off, and this is the spoon wing sitting on the trunk. I love it. Very happy with it. Can't get over this little curve over here. I like it a lot. Actually fits a lot better than my old one. As you can see, these holes right here were the old wing mounted, and this, you know, L over here, this carbon fiber L, if you can see how nice that is, sits really nice with the trunk on both sides. It has that nice, you know, fitting line with the trunk. So I'm really happy with this. Really happy with this. See, again over here, fits nice with the trunk. You can see where the old wing was. Didn't fit all that great. But, you know, the new one will be a lot nicer. Well, is a lot nicer. Look at this. Wow. This is nice. So, I mean, I can't bolt it up to this trunk now. We'll see. Maybe I'll get another trunk, or maybe I have something in my secret stash already that, you know, I can use in replacement of this one. You know, I'm always on a quest for less weight. And this wing, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this wing is actually lighter than that Voltex wing that I had. I didn't break out the scale and find out by how much, but it is. So, like I said, guys, this is it, the Spoon FD2 wing that I bought from ICB Motorsports. So, thank you guys so much for tuning into the YouTube channel. I appreciate it beyond words. Like, it means a lot that you guys take the time to watch me on YouTube. You know, I'm just a regular guy, but I'll have some more stuff up soon. I don't know what else I have. What's up next? But there's a lot, so stay tuned. If you haven't, hit the like button, subscribe. If you really want to stay, you know, on top of what I'm doing, hit the little bell. I think it's on this side. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. As always, be well, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys next time.